Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video, I will show you the Adam abuse of Stila Brainrot. Everywhere I'm seeing the lives of Adam abuse, and I saw that is an elephant in this new upgrade. What the hell just did me? What the hell? What the hell did you did with your username? Rolando?
Yeah, I'm Rolando.
What the hell? Okay, guys. The party is just my bad. The Adam abuse is will be after 30 minutes. Let's just wait now. For now, let me just show you my base. That what I have. You can see that my base is really empty. I prepare early, so I can't have any problem that time. And I saw some videos in live. I saw in videos that I saw in videos that
What do you see?
what I saw. Oh my god, I forgot. My bad.
Oh, forgot?
Yeah.
Forgot?
I'm really excited. Guys.
Wow. Hey, up in the base. Up in the base.
How
I'm
could you
stuck.
just go inside if I have locked the basement?
You opened the base, man.
Just come
Okay.
out, dude. Bruh.
Lo spider.
I thought, bro, for a while I thought there is spider in here.
Hey, open the base.
Do you think that I will open the base for you? And I will say, oh, girlie, just stealing my stuff.
Oh, man.
Just get lost, man. Or otherwise I will ban you.
Hey, this is not your server, okay?
Whatever, it's my sister's server and I will set.
So what?
So I will say to her and she will block you.
No,
Okay?
she will not.
She will.
She will not.
She
Alia,
will.
you block me? Alia?
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 Elia.
Alia? Alia?
Shut up and now get lost from my base or otherwise I will kill you.
And open that! Open that!
Jerk.
Open!
Come out. Don't try to come again or otherwise I will kill you. Shut up.
Hey,
Now how can you go out? I said don't do that.
You are bad.
Lol.
You are blah blah.
Guys, as you can see, the time has been start. It's 11:32 as you seen. Now I'm just waiting for the Adam abuse.
Yeah, man.
La, la, la. Guys, by the way, comment below that if you like the Lavaka Saturnica or this new one. I don't know the name pretty much. Or this one. Bristodi
Lavaka Saturnita.
Pitor. What the hell is the
What do
name?
you want to say?
Nothing. Just you do your work.
I don't want to do my work
So get lost.
because I'm lazy.
Hush.
Hush.
What the hell are you doing? Just do your work. Mind your business. Mind your business.
You're looking funny. Hey, don't do that.
I know you belong to somebody new, but tonight you belong to me. Although we're apart, you're a part of my heart, and tonight you belong to me. Blah 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 blah. Whatever. Shut up. When will be the party will start? I mean, Adam abuse will be start.
Avocadini guff.
Bro, what the hell? You always do that.
I have fun it.
You think that is fun?
Yeah, I think
I don't like jokes.
because you're a joker. Only 6 minutes only remain. Only 6 minutes remain.
But I can't see Sammy over here.
No, I can't.
Bro, that thing is different. Guys, literally I'm watching someone's live and he got really OP stuff. What?
Kelas.
Kelas.
Kelas. Yeah, her name
My
is
bad.
Kelas.
Name is Kelas.
Kelas.
My bad. The you.
We are not giving him shout out.
Yeah, my bad.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry, we are not giving him shout out. We are just seeing his
Telling
life.
you,
That what will come.
Sammy's. Sorry. Yeah, Sammy's a good guy. I think.
Bro, I'm starting to lag. Guys, the fact I had tell you, when the Adam abuse start, there are most of phones and PCs that lags a lot.
Yeah, you're right.
And our phone and tabs are literally lagging that much. Oh my god, I can't explain that.
Yeah, yeah.
Ippy, ippy,
I want to kill someone. Woo!
What is the
Get lost, fulla. Get lost, can't get stuck. Hey! How dare you to hit me? Where you go? Where you go? Joke. Where you go?
1 minute remain.
1 minute?
I was just lying.
Why?
Liri la la.
Bro, this time I'm not getting scammed from you. Just get lost.
Not funny.
I'm
Stupid.
don't scamming you,
Dumb.
man. I want to sell it because I'm having
Salish? What?
Sell it! Sell it!
Oh, sell it. I'm like, what the hell? You watch Salish?
Sell
Guys, comment below if you watch Salish. I'm not
What
giving
is
a
this
shout out
Salish?
to her. Salish is a YouTuber.
Who do you think, Jandals win or Sammy wins?
Sammy wins. The Sammy is good. Do you want what team? What team do you want? You want Sammy?
Guys, tell in the
She mean that which team you are choosing. Which team you are with. Team Jandal or Team Sammy. I'm with both. I love both team.
You are with Sammy too, and like you are
Yeah. If you are with Sammy, so please subscribe. And,
Sammy's team, man.
no, and if you are with Jandal, so please like and comment, okay? And if you are both, so just do all, okay?
Oh my god, guys. I have a.
Desi bomb.
Dying.
Guys, we have Desi bomb and I just released it. Nothing beats a gym to your holidays. And right now, you can save 50 pounds. That's 200 pounds off for a family of 4.
Strawberry flamingo.
Bro, what the hell are you doing?
What I want?
Just stop doing that.
Strawberry flamingilly.
Strawberry.
Legendary.
Tung 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 sahur ta 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 sahur din 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 dun ma
Kim
din din
cheese.
din dun li 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 la ri. Why did I buy that?
Man, I'm
Bro, why did I buy that?
I'm done.
Chung 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 sahur cha 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 sahur din 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 ma din 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 dun li ri la ri la orkalera okala ballerina 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 ah burr patapim tralala tralala burr patapim tralala tralala ballerina ballerina li 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 la ri la. Bro, what the hell? Why is my cousin Sanjana is sending me requests? I don't want to go. Because she's a big scammer.
What the hell?
Bro, mythic things are start to come in. So
what?
maybe the Adam abuse is starting.
In a 1 minute.
What? What do you mean?
What? What do you mean by
Salmon, just come fast. We are just waiting for you.
Yeah.
Guys, this video will my bad. This, you know guys, if you seen my previous video, you know that my tongue slipped a lot. Okay, so my bad.
20 minutes, admin abuse will start.
Okay.
Excited.
Bro, what the hell are you doing?
Talk.
Oh, stop. Are you playing Grow the Garden? Are you crazy or something?
Sorry,
How can be spider in knees? Bro, just give it back. Give it back! Jerk, give it back. Jerk, give it Give it back! Give it back! Kali, give it back! Give it back! Jerk, stupid, give it back! Ouch, ouch, ouch! Give it back!
Your leader is back, guys.
Oh my god. Alia,
Bro, I just stuck over
Who
here.
do you love most in our videos? Unzila,
You, of course, me, guys. Everyone loves me. Guys,
Black heart.
please.
If you love Unzila, so comment blue heart. If you love gold,
take it back.
Guys, she's saying if you love Unzila, so comment blue heart. If you love Alia, so comment which heart? Black heart. And if you like me, so please comment purple heart.
And do you like all of us?
So comment, bro. No, that's Alia. That's Alia.
white heart, white heart.
Yeah, white heart. Okay.
That's
Hopefully you comment because I love to read your guys' comments. As I said that previous also.
Say it. Oh.
No, I will kill you.
Bro, what the? Just give me.
Back, man. Take it back. I'm bored with you.
What do you mean a bar with it? You don't have, literally, you don't have
Lo
that.
spiderini.
You are poor! Poor jerk, stupid girl! Poor jerk! Ha. Stupid, get lost. And never do that again, okay? Oh, what the hell she is sending me
I
reads?
don't love
Beep beep potato. Beep beep potato.
Potato? It's called potato. Potato. It's called
Pipi potato.
Pipi potato.
You said beep beep potato.
Pipi potato.
Yeah.
Pipi potato. It's not
Pipi
potato.
potato.
Pipi potato. Just stop.
Beep beep potato.
Hey, Unzila. I have dare for you.
what.
Just come over here and just read at least 7 brain rot names. Come over here and
You are
starting.
not giving me
Can
that.
I do
You are
can
not
I do
giving
can
me.
I
Bro, I never you started. Bro, yeah. Oh my god, guys. Now our waiting time is off. Oh my god, guys. I'm really excited. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. I'm super excited. Bro. Let me just.
Early bird get warm.
Yeah. You're correct.
Trick, track,
Sammy.
bada boom.
You are correct. Lucky block. Oh my
Lucky
god.
block.
Oh my god. Buy it. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I'm going to be crazy.
Bro. You're correct. Early bird catches the worm.
What's this mean now?
It's mean if you do your work early, so you can be pass in your life.
Yeah.
If you do everything on its time, you can be pass.
Yeah.
Yeah. No.
Yes.
Okay. Wait. Let's just go.
Wait.
Bro, like, who is it? It's yours. Okay. Open the base, bro.
It's your Alia.
Okay, it's yours. Hopefully.
Bismillah.
Oh my god! Alia, congratulations! Bro, you don't want it? Okay, I'm taking it.
Black hole goat.
Bro, I also don't have that. But your chance has been lost. Your lucky block chance has been lost.
No.
Now next will come, I will take that.
No.
No.
It's admin block will come again.
No.
Yeah, you will get
No, my luck is more good than you.
I will take
Yeah, it's two thing and you can't accept that.
Alia, sit down, Alia.
What the hell are you saying?
Sit down. Sit down with us.
Starting in 15 minutes.
Alia, sit with us. Your wife is not coming.
Yeah. Come sit next to me, Alia.
Oh,
Guys, I'm really excited, man.
Nubini pizza.
Hopefully, the internet not.
It started with handmade vlog.
Yeah.
Lucky vlog.
As you know, the line of my bed, the line Samuel said that
Sammy.
Sammy, something is coming. Something is coming. Something is coming.
No.
My bad. My bad.
Guys, I'm so
Did you know that word that Sammy said? Ali bird catches the worm. It's mean
Guys,
that
yeah.
if you do everything in your time,
You're-
so you can. Bro, what the hell are
I
you doing?
think you love this line. I think you love
No,
this line.
my no.
You are saying continue.
Bro, my teacher told me that thing.
What?
This the
Guys,
early
I'm
bird
so
catches the worm.
excited.
Me as well.
I think Sammy talking about us.
What the
What the
hell?
hell are you saying?
I think, man.
No,
We
you
are
just
not
don't
that much lucky.
Oh my god. Sammy, come here with us.
Bro, what the hell are you doing?
Please, Sammy.
Bro, Sammy will not come.
Sammy?
Salmon.
Bro,
Simon,
do you
let's
want to
stop.
do bombardillo crocodilo ritual?
By the way, guys, we know the new ritual, how to do it.
How to do it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The spider in anyone?
Yes.
Bro, the simple thing that you have to stand in four, like one over here,
On carpet,
one
on
over
carpet,
here,
in here.
one over here, and one over here.
Yeah,
Then you will, you at least need 4 spiders, Sammy spiderinis. Then you will.
This fuel machine
spawn
will
this
go
one.
in 7 days. Oh no! It will go in 7 days.
I feel
Yeah.
in this machine. I feel things. I feel brain.
Don't
Oh,
go,
she
we
just
love
put
you.
her brainwash in this machine.
I see what I put it. Come here.
Oh, it's complete. Is it complete?
No,
Your timer is complete.
31
So how can you say? So how can you say?
Come here. See what I put it.
But
She put the tralala, orkala, and this pencil. I don't know the name.
Makra.
Makra.
no, bro, what the hell?
Bro, what the hell is this? Makra.
Dul. Agani.
Makra. In my language, we say makra spider.
Agani.
What the hell are you saying? Agada magada. What are you saying? Bro, nothing is happening.
Nothing.
It's a Jeju holiday, and right now you can say 50 pounds.
Luck is not started.
Yeah. Do you want to buy it?
Sammy said.
It's starting 15 minutes.
Sammy said, wait for 15 minutes, then it will come.
Bro,
I
we
want
don't
job
want to
Sahoo.
wait. The problem is that we can't wait. Oh, let me just buy it.
Liri li larila.
Job
Scared
Sahoo.
me.
Bro, I want to
Job
fill my
Sahoo,
rainbow,
please, I want
rainbow
job
in
Liri
there.
li larila.
Don't do that, Aya. I buy that.
Sahoo. Please, Sammy, please.
Liri li larila.
Stop.
I want Job Sahoo. It is my dream.
And mine is garam maram. 30 minutes gets in here.
Oh, MG,
Do
I'm so
something.
excited. Please, Sammy, we want Job Sahoo. Our cousin have, but I don't have it.
No, I don't have it.
Yes, I don't have it. Jab. Oh, sorry, Job.
Jab.
And I don't have it. And I also don't have it.
Subhash.
What the hell are you saying?
Are you crazy or
No.
something? Do you want to go to
happened?
mental hospital?
Are you crazy?
Oh, my bad. She haven't taken her medicine. That's why.
Behave.
Guys, my bad.
Holly.
She have a mental disorder.
Hey, behave. Behave, okay?
Bro, nothing's happening.
I'm going to be crazy, man.
Bro, me as well. I have said you, but nothing is happening. So what are you doing?
Beats me.
Just stop that stupid song. I'm drinking your water because I'm thirsty.
Oh.
No! Drink with this.
I'm drinking your water.
What the hell are you saying? Don't say that.
Bro, I'm drinking your bottle's water. What the hell are you doing?
No, drink with this.
Be quiet. No problem, bro. She is my sister.
Stupid stupid.
Stupid.
Behave yourself.
Behave.
Okay, my bad. My bungle.
Bully. What the hell are you saying?
Your bottle is coming in my underarm.
What the hell are you saying? Don't
Just
say that.
the straw.
Blood death. Oh,
No, sorry. No.
no,
can't.
no, don't put it.
No, I will put it.
Bully.
Oh, what the?
Bully song.
I will kill you, bro.
Bully song.
Something.
What the hell are you saying? मतलब bully bully song.
Bandito Bobrito. Bandito
Bro, don't do
Bobrito.
that. I want to film my
Bandito
rainbow thing.
Bobrito.
Scared me. You scared me.
Bitch, don't do that.
Hey, behave.
Liri li lari la.
Cheers.
Cheese.
OMG.
What up?
Bro, I'm born. Job.
Don't do that. I said you. Don't do that.
Bro, no, don't.
Bro, what the hell?
Don't.
Bro, literally.
Bro, I will
she
die.
is over here.
Undla, no.
Sorry, by mistake.
Don't do
By mistake.
That's
Stupid.
not good, sir.
Oh,
Let's go, my super high.
Bro, I tried to let you go.
Do you like it?
yeah, I want.
Bro, what happened?
Yo, bro, drifting. I am running, man.
Do you want to freeze? Do you want to
No, I don't want.
freeze?
Bro, what the hell?
Bro, Superman entry.
Hey!
Do you want to fly? Do you want to fly?
What the
Do you
hell?
want to fly? Do you want to fly? Do you want to fly? Do you want to fly?
Guys, don't mind, we are
Someone
crazy.
has joined us.
Who?
Bro, it's
Oh my God,
Ayan.
and her.
No, we are blocked.
Bro, wait. Let me see his
He
face.
leave.
Do you block
Oh
the
my
game?
God!
Do you block him?
Yes. Chop.
What the hell?
No problem. No
Ayan have two jobs, Sahur.
So what we do?
Bro, what the hell is that?
No, you.
Yeah, I see it.
No.
I see.
Bro, guys, we are only unlucky.
Our cousin
Bro,
will
just
do
block
it.
him.
I see it.
Or otherwise he will steal our things.
No, he will not come. He leave.
That's a good point, yeah.
I think he's going to.
Bro, he joined again.
No, don't do anything.
No.
Oh, don't
I
do.
will stall her.
No.
Don't do that.
No, he haven't here. It's your base. My
Bro, what
bad.
the hell are you saying, bro? I will kill you.
Bro, I thought that.
Man, you scared me.
Bro, what the hell? I thought it is 9 minutes left.
Bro, please. We want job Sahur. Our cousin have, but we don't have job
Sahur. What the hell did you write? Yeah! Shut up.
I'm scared.
Just don't forget your limits, Unzila.
No, I don't want to.
What the hell? Just say that I don't have any limits. Just try to roast, bro. You can't roast anyone.
Oh, I want job Sahur. I'm so unlucky.
Sahur.
He have only one secret, so how I think he do
Bro,
fuse.
don't do that.
I
Don't do
think
that.
he do fuse.
You want to fly?
No!
Do you want to fly?
And we the fuse for yeah. Let's go Jandal and Semi. Guys, we have Jandal and Semi, but I'm just we have Rolando and Capcom.
Fluri Flura.
OMG.
Who's my bad? OMG, Fluri Flua. OMG, Fluri Flua.
Svinina Bombardino.
Oh my god, Sunila Bombardino.
Hello.
Bro, I haven't scared.
Don't do that, Unzila. We will ban you from.
Uzla is jerk, you know that?
Svinina Bombardino.
Just shut up.
Don't do
Svinina Bombardino.
Don't do that.
Don't do that.
Oh, Bombardilo Crocodilo.
Bombardiro
Buy
Crocodilo.
it. We will do ritual.
Bro, I was buying that time. She said we don't need it. She said, you think a devil had a
No, I
home
didn't
built
say
for
it.
that.
Be quiet.
Yeah, I was
Why are you
saying
shouting,
I'm
bro?
going to sell
Don't
it.
shout.
I'm going to
nice.
sell this.
I mean, you see.
I sell it.
Tung sahur ta sahur din
Bro, Sammy, why are you not giving us good
or kallero or kalla ballerina
You are giving one YouTuber a so good thing. Oh!
Very
Gangster
Dicus
Futera.
Dicus
Fuse
Bombicus.
machine has luck.
Yeah, my thing was
Let me
good.
put some things. I don't have special.
Let's start. put all. I want to see what do.
Yeah.
I have all secret, man.
Let me just check. Let me check what is the fuse.
Oh, Sammy,
OMG. Let's go.
Let's go.
Please, luck.
No, it's money.
Nothing special.
Oh, I don't get it.
I get it, money. Oh, yeah.
Oh, spin is here?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see it.
Please, luck.
Please look. Please look. Please look. Please.
Bro, I have 2 spins.
Yes, we also have.
Bro, I have donated someone.
Anything.
One more.
I just got money, man. Shit.
On both.
In one, I got to donate money, and in one, bro, what the hell?
You can donate money.
Yeah,
Where?
I don't know.
No.
I don't know. She always said me donate that.
Where are you going to?
Bro,
I'm just
she
checking
don't
in
know
few.
about it. How can we donate it?
Yeah.
It is our gift.
Donate. Receive.
Bro, what the hell?
Bro, literally hotspot.
Oh my god.
OMG.
Lost hotspot.
Let us try it.
Let me also try it.
Bro, chances is hotspot, so I will put my all secret.
Same.
Because I love hotspot so much.
Me as well, bro.
Oh, we can do it.
Bro, still I have 4%.
chances only. Let I try put more.
Let me put lost spider needles.
I also and Karthik Kurkur.
Bro, Unzla, just open my second account. I need some stuff.
Bro, I'm scared.
Yeah, open it.
Bro, it's giving nothing.
Open it.
You are also having a 4% chance. 4 minutes left only.
I'm scared.
Is
I
it?
put lost Mateo.
Guys,
Mateo's toy.
let me just come with my second account.
Account, bro.
It's called K-pop. Big fan K-pop. Bro, what the hell is he saying?
Then there will be a new machine who can. What the hell did Samuel just say?
Bro, new machine is coming.
Oh no, after 7 days. But we love fuel machine more than it.
Yeah, guys, let's wait.
Let's
Bro,
see.
send me the request, friend request, Kibu Star Mobile. Okay, a big fan, Kibu Star.
Bro, you can come by.
There are also new paint draws
Only
in
4
Lucky
chances,
Block.
bro.
Lucky Block. Bro, please just send me a request. You, okay, I'm here. Bro, what the hell?
Bro, I want lost hotspot. That is also my dream. But I love Drop Sour also.
Bro, my second account has been joined. Okay, let me just go inside. Okay, guys, this all things is my stuff. Let me take something. Bro, don't do
Turbo
that.
3.
Oh,
If you
let me steal this.
Ballerino Lololo.
there will be a lot of bright flashing lights. OMG. Unzila,
Oh my God!
Unzila, jaldi.
Guys, we will do this thing.
Unzila.
Bro.
Upgrade is on. Fast.
Tripi tropi. Troppa
Bro,
tripa.
what the hell?
Oh no, bro, come. Come, Saud. Crocodilo.
Why you leave? Oh my God!
OMG, USBWs.
I'm coming.
Bro, where to put? Please. Crocodilo.
Bombardilo.
Troppa tripa. Zaur.
See the Bombardilo crocodilo.
Troppa tripa. Bro, Wakramat mama. Bro, my bad.
See the Bombardilo crocodilo.
Okay.
See the Bombardilo crocodilo.
I sell it.
Very good. Bro, I'm
Benzini.
Bro, I'm really scared. Excited.
bro.
Please jump sahur, Sammy.
Con sabor. Ballerina cappuccina. 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 Ballerina cappuccina. Cina.
Whoa. Oh my god. What the hell?
Bro, what the hell is going?
Bro, hit me. Bro, someone hit me.
Lucky block.
Lucky block.
Con sabor.
Bro, this time I will
Lucky
take
block.
it.
Lucky block. Con sabor.
And third time I take it, okay?
Okay. Let's open it.
Wait for me.
Girl, please open it. Tum sahur.
Free spin. Wait.
First, let me just.
You're okay?
Okay.
Open it.
Bro, I get cash.
Bro, I also get it.
I am.
Please.
Wait, Abhi.
Please, something good. Open it.
No,
Come.
Come on, go fast.
Wait.
Go. Open.
Okay, open.
Please, good.
Something good.
It's raining
Ah.
What the hell is this? Shit. This big shit.
Welcome everyone. Just join.
Get lost. I don't want it.
Oh, please, jump sahur. That is my dream.
Bro, what the hell was that? Bro, this is new.
Lucky block 3 आएंगे and admin block 2
तो मैं उसका सामान तो मिल गया ना मतलब का आलिया ने दे दिया ना आलिया के पास कहाँ से है
I don't have it.
Bro, what the hell? In Alia's thing, that heron type thing.
But you don't give it.
Cheese.
It's raining. Take this.
You can.
I said, you said, no, I didn't.
No spiderinis.
Where it is?
No, it's saying that ritual.
Take this. Zula, come.
It's raining tacos. Raining tacos.
One time we were so hang and the vodka come and we can't
Afford it.
And I now afford it. No, we can't take it. It was so hang and we were just crying because of.
Oh my god!
No need to.
What the hell?
OMG. Los Padrini is coming. Los Padrini.
Alia don't have. Right, Alia don't have that.
You have it.
Alia! Shit, man.
It is coming. Guys, it is coming. Los Padrini. Los Semi.
Lost and this
This is new C.
Good luck getting a new secret Adams blog.
Oh, admit vlog is coming.
It's
Unzlas.
Cheese.
On Unzlas is
It's raining tacos.
Lucky block.
But
Uja, take
Lucky
it.
block.
take it. But we said that Angrandin, but I think Unzlas will get it. Please,
Uja, open it.
please, God. Please. No ritual.
It's telling us.
Sammini Spidery.
OMG.
Alia has that.
Sammini Spidery.
Unzla don't have. Unzla buy. Unzla open it.
Okay, guys, let's see. Please, something OP.
Please.
Oh my god. Oh,
No, bro.
Oh, bro, it's a new thing.
Bro, I'm.
Bro, what the hell? Your luck is good, man.
I want to steal it. Open the base. I want to go out.
Now it's time for Crab to join my spider.
Yo, bro.
Bro, yeah. Oh yeah.
Yo.
I will pakra mama. Okay?
Pakra mama.
A pencil. I sell it. Okay?
machine. Bro, oh, fuse machine. I love this machine.
Bubble gum machine, not food machine.
My bad.
Inside the Spider-Mini semi-spider.
Guys, my phone is little bit Lexi time. Oh my god!
Giraffa celeste.
Giraffe Celeste, it's not good. I just hate this.
I don't.
What thing?
Giraffe Celeste.
Let me just buy it. I will
Giraffa
sell it.
celeste.
Oh, yeah, I love this. Why did you buy a Giraffe Celeste?
I will delete it. I will. Yeah, I will.
Everything is good. Bubble gum.
We are adding a crab brain rot.
Oh, crab brain rot. OMG. Guys, Sammy made a brain rot or someone else made.
Trafo di moneta.
Bro, the hell?
Moneta.
Cool, do you want it? So you can take it.
No, it's okay. It's okay. We will decide after.
Bro,
I will decide after the upgrade, man.
Bro, what the hell?
Bro, if there would be an OP brain rot, so we will buy and just put enchantments, okay?
Also, the new strawberry elephant and
Please, I want that.
I also want one.
I want that.
That is OG.
What the hell? Bro, the thing is that Sammy, what the hell?
In every server, it will come once.
Bro, please.
I want Chop Sahur, please.
I will want that elephant. Bro, what the hell? She's sending me
happened?
continue. Oh, what the hell? She's continuously sending me.
Oh!
Bro, strawberry.
Jesus, what? The strawberry elephant
Kimchi.
is coming.
OMG, no.
Oh my
I don't think
God.
so. No, it's not. Lexi time, spin is come. Spin. Let's spin it. No. Oh, sorry. No spin. What the hell?
Oh! Sammy's spawn is best.
What?
Sammy's spawn
Oh, steal it, steal. Something OP, please. Something OP, please. Is there something up?
No, not good. Just steal it.
Tartaruga cisterna.
Ulla, you can take in my base, okay?
What the hell? Mama.
Ulla, just take something, okay? You can take it Mama.
Poco fanculo.
Oh, Fantas. Oh, my bad.
So bad. Sorry.
Mama.
Oh, so cool.
Mama.
Bro, please jump Sahur. I request.
Sammy 86 blocks.
What?
Oh my God.
Bro, steal the Sammy. Please. No, he don't have any good thing now. I see. No, Sammy don't have any good thing now. I spoiled yours too much now. Everyone asks for 6x.
Mythical block.
OMG. Oh no.
Medical works.
Do you guys want?
No, I don't want it.
No, I also don't want.
It's a rubbish. When I was poor, I was really crazy for this type
It
of
have three. Oh, it's
Lucky
Bro, I'm
block.
taking this.
okay. And now everyone is spamming a lavaka, but you'll hate when I spawn it. And make it.
I don't
I will do
La
that.
vacca Saturno Saturnita.
Just open your
La vacca Saturno Saturnita.
Yes, I do have. Let's do this one. No, but this is my second account. The problem is that it's free. Just log out your account. Fast. Lovely. Log out your account and just put a cap of fan. I want to take my lavaka. Bro, don't. Just we will buy the thing. Alia, you just see that nothing comes. Okay, I'm here. OMG, Matthew is coming. You just see. Yes, Matthew is coming. My phone, okay. I'm logging in.
Who buy the?
No, Matthew is not yet. Oh, it's coming. Everywhere is. Bro, you have Matthew? Bro, do you have Matthew?
No, I don't have.
Oh, if there would be Matthew. Do you have Matthew? I don't want it. If there would be Matthew, no, just steal the lavaka from my place. Okay.
Matteo! Matteo!
Buy it.
Matteo!
Buy it. Alia, buy it. Buy it. So
Matteo!
Start. Bro, just take lavaka fast. Where are you?
Here, open the bees. Where is the lavaka here?
just open your mouth.
La vacca Saturno Saturnita.
Okay. Where is your bees? Oh, here it is. I love spawning in bees.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Guys, we get.
Yeah, I love it.
We get lucky block. Bro,
Lucky
please mine.
block.
No, he's mine. Bro, I haven't had anyone. Oh, you don't have. Bro, I do have, but I decreased.
Oh my god. No, it's not something scary.
Take it, give it. Give us the lost Spartinis or not?
Yeah.
Oh my god, what the hell? Not yet. What the thing? Bro, what the fuck? Spiders are pushing us. Don't. When Matthew was, Matthew was coming, so spiders hit me and I was. क्या है? तंग करिए यार. Guys, where is your lavaka? What happened? Let's do the ritual.
He's giving us the dragon.
It's mine. No, bro. Bro, what the problem you have? You said that you are saying you are taking elephant and you are saying you take the him. So much crazy. I'm crazy, yeah. Bro, you said you will take the elephant. You said you will take that dragon. What do you have? Everything you have this stuff you always take.
Yes, I want everything. These guys stop fighting.
What the hell?
He's giving us a dragon.
OMG.
He's not giving us dragon, man.
Bro, she's fighting.
He's not giving us king dragon.
Let's just do ritual, guys.
Treno struzzo turbo
Bro, we
3000.
don't need it. It's trash. Bro, take the lavakas.
Espresso sì.
I'm cool bandit. Bro, grab. Oh, just hit me. Bro, literally for you, I am just putting my lavaka and I don't want to. But I am doing for you. And you? Bro, something is coming. Bro, just take lavaka. Let's do the ritual of lavaka. Take lavaka. Okay. Bro, come on, let's do the ritual.
Yeah, please.
Bro, Graham is trying to me as well. Here. Bro, what the hell?
Where are you going?
Come, guys. Bro, the crab is hitting me.
Where you all here?
Guys, come here.
Hey! Please.
Hold come. I'm coming. The crab is continuously hitting me.
Zammini Spiderini.
OMG. Bro, what the hell? Take it. Buy it.
Buy it. Ritual.
Buy it.
Zammini Spiderini.
Okay, come, guys. Guys, come. Just stand.
Okay.
Bro, what the hell? We are doing. Oh my god!
So guys, just 10. Bro, it's working! Oh my god!
Las vaquitas saturnitas.
Mutation! Mutation! Bro, let's just buy that two thing, okay? I love Brazil the same.
Bro, where is it? Bro, where is it gone? See?
Bro, buy it, buy it.
Las vaquitas saturnitas. Las
Bro,
vaquitas
buy it,
saturnitas.
like this, like this. The mutation will be put by
Las
its own.
vaquitas saturnitas. Las vaquitas saturnitas.
Don't do that.
Las vaquitas saturnitas.
No,
Las
no,
vaquitas
it's okay.
saturnitas.
No.
Las vaquitas saturnitas.
Dude. Bro, thank you.
Say the boom.
Guys, thank you.
No problem. Bro, what the hell? This is brain rot god.
Urubini
My bad,
flamenguini.
my bad. You haven't noticed this. It's not melting brain rot god.
Where?
I buy it.
Lucky block.
No. Bro! Lucky block. Wait, I'm coming. Then open it.
Lucky block.
One more lucky block. I will buy this. Take this Ali's first brain rot god
Lucky
thing.
block.
No, it's Alia's because it's first brain. I'm buying. One more. Bro, put mutation. My bad. This is mine.
Lucky block. Lucky block. Lucky block.
Bro, I have
Lucky
put
block.
that thing. This Starkey thing. Bro, please, can I get pink one?
No.
Bro, please give me.
Blood one.
I don't want blood one. I need candy one.
Lucky block.
Okay, take it. Then we will unbox it one by one, okay?
Now I will not.
It's raining go
I will do.
One more lucky block.
sky.
No, I still
Goes. No need to ask why.
What are you
Open
saying?
your mouth.
What the
Open your
hell?
eyes.
I'm open first. Yes.
Let me come.
Please, something good.
Oh my god. Oh shit, now Alia's turn. Please.
I'm coming. Wait. We are coming. Fast.
Open your base.
No. Open. Wait for me. Hey, you don't wait for me.
Bro, trash.
Coco fanto elefante.
Oh, trash. Now it's my turn.
Okay, please, God.
What the hell? Shit. What the hell is this? I hate my luck.
Oh, 8 luck.
Bro, I hate my...
OMG, 8 luck is max luck. I think so. Bro, I can't see it. There is so much luck and things, so I can't see how much my luck is.
Bro, what the hell is this thing?
What?
Legendary Quali Wally. What is this? What the hell is this?
What the hell?
Enjoy the 8
I don't know, bro. Don't.
Bro, new brain rot. It's a new... Bro, I'm waiting for an elephant.
Oh, bro, I want job.
I need dragon.
Dragon will not come. Yeah, Samuel was dying.
He was asking if, maybe. This is so weird. Bro, let me just open my mythic box.
Oh, spin! Guys, spin! Guys, spin! Guys, spin! Come! Guys, spin!
I know it was fresh.
Guys, spin! Guys, spin! Guys, I'm saying something. Spin! Mozilla, spin!
I did it.
What did you get?
Bro, what the hell is this?
Money!
The two things is combined.
Why?
Tralalita
I was
tralala.
saying.
Oh! Tralala wife.
You can.
Oh my god!
I just buy it. Do anyone want it?
No, I have. Oh, I love this.
I
Tung
don't
tung
love
tung
it.
sahur, da 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 sahur. Oh, tralala, brr brr patapim, tralala, tralala, brr brr patapim, tralala, tralala. Patapim, tralala, tralala, brr brr patapim, tralala, tralala, brr brr patapim, tralala, tralala. Larila और कालेरो और कला
Tralalita tralala.
किसने खरीदा?
मैंने खरीदा आई बाय
एक और आई है. One more.
ब्रो वी डोंट नीड इट लारिला और कालेरो और कला patapim tralala tralala patapim tralala tralala patapim tralala tralala patapim tralala. The spider thing comes again.
If we get two, so we can do the ritual. What?
I have
Spawn is best. We have now. How much we have for?
three
3.
and we just need one.
No, we have 4.
No, how can we have 4? I have one,
I
you have
also
one,
have
and Unzla have one. So
I have 2.
you have 2. Let's just do ritual.
We don't have 4 people.
Oh yeah.
Sammini spideri. La vacca Saturno
Oh,
Saturnita. La vacca Saturno Tralalelo tralala.
Please, please. Tralala, tralala.
Go to the Sammy's base, please. I stole it.
Where's Sammy's place?
I stole Sammy's spiderini. Very good.
Bro, just open the thing. I can't see anything.
Crabbo limonetta.
Bro, what the hell is this? Bro, just moti something spawn.
Yeah, I have it. It is legendary.
What the hell is this?
We have it. Unzla and me. We have it. What?
It's a trash. Bro, what the hell is going on?
I have 3 Sammy's spiderini. Let's do ritual, guys. We don't have 4 people. Let's go, Raya.
Crabbo limonetta.
What the hell is coming? Who just buy the worst thing? I was just scared.
Bro, what the hell? I just opened this lucky block.
What did you get?
Bro, how can I get lucky?
What did you get? What did you get?
Bro, who buy it again?
Ballerina Lulu.
Lucky block.
OMG.
It is. Oh!
Who is taking it?
No, my turn.
Okay.
My turn. Where did it go?
Lucky
I want the
block.
mixture. Oh, one more. Oh, my bad.
After 44 second, bubblegum machine will go. After few seconds.
The fuse is having luck.
Bro, I am looking. Lucky block. Guys, come please. Guys,
Okay.
come. Wait. Guys, please come.
I'm here.
No, please. Let's open. Please. Please.
Oh my god, our luck is
the hell is this?
Bro, our luck is so bad, man.
want something OP. You don't. Where is Tatu?
It's raining tacos. What the heck is going on?
Bombardino crocodilo.
Oh my god. Bro, what the hell?
Trivi trovi.
Tropa tripa. Punta Cocodilo.
Guys, I think so. Matteo is coming. Guys, Matteo is coming. We want 2 more Matteo, then we can do ritual.
Because I have one.
Okay.
Tumsa
Matteo will come.
Cocodilo.
Sorry if you all like.
Okay. Hey.
Bro, it's come 1,000 times. Now we have like 7 or 8. So we can do. I want job, sorry, it will not come.
Bro, I'm lagging a lot.
I'm sad. Job, sorry, it will not come.
Bro, I'm feeling real sleepy. Oh my god, what the hell is going on, guys? This is massive. Bro, this is massive. What the hell is going on? This is so massive, bro. What the hell? Oh my god.
Everything is.
I'm out of the world. This is massive. Oh, what the hell is this?
So many things. Ricos. No, job, sorry, is not coming. Okay, sorry if you crash. I'm taking you level up.
Oh my god.
Sammy, you cry.
Tacos. No need to ask why. Oh,
Please, Sammy.
so been so. But there's a movie kissing mama. Must there's a movie kissing. Bro, what the hell, my phone? It's battery low. Yeah.
Please. Job, Not me.
Dice cana, suben, so. What's the music you said, mama?
Do something is going here.
What the hell is going on? Bro, what the hell is going on?
Please.
What the hell is going on? What the hell is
Please, Sammy.
Bro,
Who am I lucky block?
Bro, it's magic.
No, job,
I'm taking this one.
What? Admit?
Lucky block.
Bro, buy it. Bro, please buy it. Bro, I will put enchant. Fast.
Lucky block.
I will buy it.
Giraffa celeste.
Bro, buy it
Lucky
again.
block.
Bro, buy it again. start
block.
taking it. What the hell? Guys, let's open it. Come. Bro, what the hell? I sell it. Bro, no. How can it come again? Bro, what is happening? I just sell it. See, now again, I just sell this front of you and I have to sell this. No, I didn't.
It's raining tacos.
I think you made abuse box. Now you also think
No
na
need to ask
it
why.
made like
Just open your mouth
we'll open it.
and close your eyes.
I'm coming.
It's raining tacos. Tacos.
How I can eat you?
All you can eat. Lettuce and cheese.
What the hell is this?
What do you have it?
Trash.
What do you have, Ben? What do you have?
Or should I spell? Please, guys, like job. Likho job sahur. Guys, put job sahur. Job.
So I'm requesting so many times. Wait, first I wanna do crab one more time.
Shower. I didn't shower. My bad. Job sahur.
You right? Job solo. So I'm coming from.
Cacasito Satalito.
Bro, what the hell is this new brain rot? I'm taking it.
Cacasito Satalito.
It's been a brain rot god. I love this one. Oh. Someone said new cat. Nia cat. लिखो ना job. Jobs. किसने इसने कहा कि someone said that cat thing. वो cat होते नहीं. तो वो cat ला रहा है.
That is not good.
Yeah, I know. See what the pathway is.
Gattatino Gnanino.
What the hell is this cat?
Who want to buy it?
Gattatino Gnanino.
Let I buy it. I want to see what did you buy. Oh, this is a mouse.
Yeah, it's a type of kangaroo.
Open the what a lucky block. It's ready. Lucky block. Guys, brain not gone.
Where is it?
You both have.
Bro, I just opened it.
What did you get?
I get the trash thing.
Yeah. Let's open one.
So where are you?
Here we go. Not me.
और का ले रहा और का रहा.
I want to say I say good luck getting the new ticket.
Oh!
I had a taco lucky block with
This Tuesday.
one more
Concert. Oh, retired guys.
I'm also but game we love so much.
Oh my god, whenever he comes, something special. Bro, how much Crocodile. Bro, what the heck? Oh my god.
तुम कहो
यार मैं अभी से ये था
What? What the hell?
Vivid Mother name is Manic Group. तुम सहो
Lirili larila. Chimpanzini bananini. Spionito colpito.
Yes.
Ballerina cappuccina.
Bro, there is the gender, my bad. Sammy statue and he is asking for taco things.
Don't give it. You don't have to. We will not give it.
I don't have taco.
Don't
If
do
I
that.
would have,
I don't like
so I would give him.
Bocadini antidopino.
No, I was just scared. Who did it?
Angela.
Angela, don't do that. It was Rambo. That's why. So why?
I will give you her
What the hell?
It's her or him. Alongside more fun event and Adam abuse.
Admin
Chimpanzini bananini.
abuse. That we say admin abuse. Okay.
what?
Bro, what the hell, crab?
Lucky block.
OMG.
I want it this
No.
Angela's turn, no?
Oh, she take it.
Yeah.
Lucky block.
Bro, it's Alia's.
Lucky block.
Bro, you just open it and you got trash.
Hey, give me now, it's mine.
Why?
Lucky,
Why you got
Hey,
it?
I don't have
lucky block.
No, it's Alia.
what you want me to do?
We will check it, okay? I will not open it. Angela.
It's raining tacos.
Lucky block.
Sky tacos. No need to ask why. Just open your mouth.
Let's just open it.
Your eyes.
It's Unzla's, okay?
Tacos.
And we will see video, then we will give Unzla's, okay? Okay.
Oh, you can't eat
We will open it.
Tralalelo tralala.
Bro, she's trying to say that we will open it and we will, if there will be any brain rot, and we will see the video. If it wasn't yours, so we will take, Alia will take it. And if it,
Okay, see it.
okay? Okay, open it.
I can open it.
Cocofanto elefanto.
It's a trash. Come. Open it.
No, I was just feeling. Bro, try.
Oh, why? No. That time I'm getting that 3 Bombini
Who
Guzini
gave
and you're
Sammy
giving
the things? Don't give him. He will.
I
don't.
give common and legendary only.
No, don't
man.
give.
I buy it here.
So that's why you buy that.
Yeah.
It's have tacos.
Yeah.
It's raining tacos from here to the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes.
Bro, I'm asking Simi for art and for job sahur. He is not giving me.
Guys, just spam job sahur.
He leaves us. He leaves.
Left, bro.
Yeah, he leaves.
Bro, where are you going?
Bro, I think he is sleeping.
I think so.
It's cold. So far, these thing we got, and you know, we got so much trash as well with good stuff. Not that much that I expect,
Bro,
but at least good.
we get so many admit abuse book, but that was a trash all.
No, not all.
No,
One
we
secret.
don't give no, we don't have any secret.
Yeah,
I get it,
Yeah.
but it was a trash, I think so. Please, Sammy, please give us jobs of sahur. We are waiting for a month. Oh, sorry. Hour.
It's not there.
I think so, Sammy will not give us.
Yeah.
No, but how can a cousin get it?
He got from cheating.
Scam.
Maybe,
Yeah, he
yeah.
do scam.
Yeah, he do scam. Bro, do you want to do the ritual of Bombardillo Crocodilo?
We don't have so many bombadillo cookies.
There is one.
Let's reach
Only one, so what can we do?
You have no one.
No.
You bought it that time.
Come here.
Let me
I want to see my
Guys, I'm waiting here. And
Come here.
Okay, I'm feeling really sleepy.
Come here, come here. Alia, come here in my base. See this. Right here.
What?
See this.
How many salmon
Bombardillo
What
Crocodilo.
do you have?
I just have one.
Okay, and I also have one.
Ritual. Let's ritual.
Bro, who would be the fourth person?
I think our cousin Ayan.
No.
No, we have one
Get
more
lost.
wife.
Shut up. So guys, the video has been too long. Hopefully you like this video. So like, comment, share and subscribe. For now.
To like, subscribe.
So what I'm saying the same thing. So guys, like, share and comment and subscribe.
Bye, guys.
Bye. See ya.